Dear students, I hope all of you understand my previous lecture. If you have any doubt, take a note on it and I will clear all your doubt related this topic in online class. Now we are going to discuss about important terminologies used in Unit 1. First one, gram atoms of an element. It is defined the ratio between weight in grams to atomic weight. Example, gram atoms of an element capital A is equal to weight in grams of capital A divided by atomic weight of capital A. What is atomic weight? Atomic weight is nothing but mass of an atom. Second one, kg of atoms element is equal to weight in kg divided by atomic weight of that component. Example, kg of atoms element A is equal to weight in kg of capital A divided by atomic weight of capital A. Third terminology, gram moles of compound B. What is the relation number of moles and molecular weight? Number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. But this case, consider the example capital B. Gram moles of compound B is equal to weight in grams of capital B divided by molecular weight of capital B. Next one, kg moles of compound B is equal to weight in kg of capital B divided by molecular weight of capital B. What is molecular weight? Molecular weight is nothing but sum of the atomic weight of the compound. Example, atomic weight of carbon is equal to molecular weight of carbon dioxide. How will you calculate molecular weight of carbon dioxide? Sum of the atomic weight of the compound. In carbon dioxide, two compounds are there. One is a carbon, another one is a oxygen. Carbon is a 1 kilomole, oxygen is a 2 kilomole. Carbon atomic weight is a 12, oxygen atomic weight is a 16. 12 plus 2 moles of 16 is equal to 32 plus 12 is equal to 44. This is the molecular weight of carbon dioxide. Likewise, you go to calculate any type of the compound. Example, you take sodium hydroxide, NaOH. What is the molecular weight of NaOH? What is the atomic weight of sodium? What is the atomic weight of oxygen? What is the atomic weight of hydrogen? Sodium atomic weight is a 23. Oxygen atomic weight is a 16. Hydrogen atomic weight is a 1. So, all compounds are present in this molecule, each one molecule. So, sodium is a 1 molecule, oxygen is a 1 molecule, hydrogen is another 1 molecule. That's why we want to calculate sodium hydroxide molecular weight is equal to 23 plus 16 plus 1, totally 40. This is the sodium hydroxide molecular weight. Likewise, we have to calculate any type of the compounds. Next, equivalent weight. Equivalent weight is nothing but molecular weight divided by valence. Example, determine the equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide. Molecular weight of the sodium hydroxide is a 40. Valency is nothing but outermost orbital, how much electrons are present. In sodium hydroxide, Na plus OH minus, only one outermost orbital electrons. So the valency of sodium hydroxide is a 1. So what is the equal weight of sodium hydroxide? Molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is a 40. Valency of sodium hydroxide is a 1. 40 by 1 is equal to 40. In this case, equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight of sodium hydroxide. Both are equal. Molecular weight of the sodium hydroxide is 40. Equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide also 40. But you go to calculate any other type of the compound, the equivalent weight is different value than molecular weight of the compound. Next, normality, molarity and molality. Concentration of a solution containing a solid or liquid solute can be expressed in terms of normality, molarity and molality. First one, normality. Normality is defined the ratio between gram equivalent of solute to volume of solution in liter. It is denoted the symbol capital N. What is gram equivalent or gram equivalent of solute? Gram equivalent of solute is equal to weight divided by equivalent weight. Weight divided by equivalent weight. Equivalent weight means already you know, equivalent weight is nothing but molecular weight divided by valence. Next one, molarity. R-I-T-Y, rity. It is defined the ratio between gram moles of solute to volume of solution in liter. How will you calculate number of moles or gram moles of solute? Moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. Use this formula, find out gram moles of solute. You see, normality and molarity, numerator is different, denominator is the same. Whereas molality is defined the ratio between gram moles of the solute to mass of the solvent in kg. In this case, you see the molarity and molality. Numerator is the same, denominator is different. You compare normality, molarity and molality. Easily notice that numerator is different in normality and molarity. But when we are going to compare molarity and molality, numerator is the same. What is concentration? Concentration is nothing but gram per liter or normality into equivalent weight, or mole per liter, weight per liter or mole per liter, or normality into equivalent weight. Generally, concentration is defined the ratio between number of moles to volume, or weight by volume, or normality into equivalent weight. Next is very important topic, that is a NTP. Most of the problem simply they are given. Calculate the values using NTP. What is NTP? NTP is nothing but normal temperature and pressure. What is normal temperature and pressure? Normal temperature is nothing but 0 degree Celsius, 273 Kelvin. Pressure is 1 atmosphere, that is atmospheric pressure. Generally we will take P is equal to 1 atmosphere. What about the volume? Volume is a molar volume. You notice that. All of you very familiar. Volume unit is a meter cube. But here I will mention 22.4136 meter cube per kilomole. This is not the volume. This is molar volume. Unit is a meter cube per kilomole. Volume unit is meter cube. But here This is molar volume. NTP is nothing but normal temperature and pressure. Another one is a STP, standard temperature and pressure. Most of the problems simply they are given using STP. Calculate the values. STP is nothing but standard temperature and pressure. Pressure is a 101.325 kilopascal. That is normal atmospheric pressure. Temperature is a 15.6 degrees Celsius. Volume is the same volume, 22.4 metric cube per kilometer. USA follow the standard temperature and pressure. Other countries are followed normal temperature and pressure. USA only follow the standard temperature and pressure. Only one different, temperature is different. Whereas NTP, temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. In STP, temperature is 15.6 degrees Celsius. Next one is the Dalton's law. Already you are familiar. Previous lecture also I will mention the state Dalton's law and Amagat's law. Dalton's law, it states that the total pressure exerted by a gaseous mixture, that is capital P, is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of the component gases present in the gas mixture. Here PA plus PB plus PC. Total gas is P is equal to sum of individual component pressure. In this case we are consider the component capital A, B, C. If you have D or E or F, so you add all the values. Amagat's law. Amagat's law states that total volume occupied by a gaseous mixture, capital V, is equal to the sum of the pure component volume of the component gases present in the gas mixture. Total volume is a capital V is equal to sum of individual component volume A, B, C. These are the component. If you have D or E or F component, you add all the values. This is Amagat's law. These two laws very important, Dalton's law and Amagat's law. This is gaseous mixture laws.